Okay, welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is a little bit different of a video other than the house build. My brother called and he wanted me to help him epoxy his garage floor. As you see behind us, we got it all cleaned out. We're just going to prep. He's going with the color black for his floor, and I'm going to turn you around and we're going to see what products we're using. Are going with the Rust-Oleum garage floor kit. It's pretty simple. The pouch right here just kind of rolls and then it pops and then you mix it together. But the kit, here's the color of what we're going to do, and this is ultimately our goal of what we want it to look like. I am no expert in using these products, but we're going to give her a whirl and you're going to come with me through the process. Let's see the easy three-step application. Prepare surface, burst, shake, and pour, and apply coating. Clean and degrease entire floor, scrub heavily soiled areas, etch entire floor with concrete, rinse thoroughly, and allow to dry. I believe my brother etched last night and did all this, so everything's ready for us just to roll it on. Let's see what color chips he's going with. Looks like he is going with the black, gray, and white chips, and I believe there's going to be some glitter on this floor as well, which I think it would go together really well considering his whole entire house is black and gray. And so you put V in A, make it one unit, and you shake for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour it out in a pan and dump some on the floor and spread it around with a roller, but make sure you just do a small area at a time, like a 4x4. From what the directions say, we'll see if I could go just a hair bit bigger just to save time. And while it's wet, you sprinkle your flakes on there. Here is a little tip. As you see, this is the garage and this is the lip going into the garage. What I'm doing is putting tape down, and I'm gonna put silicone down in here, so whenever I'm epoxying it, I can epoxy the front of this and nothing will bleed under here. And that is the ultimate goal, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, just about wrapped up. A little filthy because I can't touch a paint roller without getting paint on myself as well. But let's go take a walk down to the garage and see what's going on. Another thing, we did not use the chips that come with it. We use actual glitter. It is. Okay, I am back at the garage 2 days later. I want to give my review on the Rust-Oleum product of the garage floor kit. Highly suggest it. It's really easy to work with. Goes on smooth. They give you the roller naps and stuff to do the job, and comes with the flakes of your color as well. As you've seen, we did not use the flakes that come with it. No, we actually used glitter. His wife likes it, and it actually looks pretty cool. It kind of gives it like a rainbow effect. It's pretty neat. But I highly suggest it. Just stick around. I do have more videos coming on the new house build and updates. Remember just to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see what else we're going to get into.